So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, you have to open up a cryptocurrency account. Once that is opened up, simply go down to the bottom here and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're in this screen, scroll down a little bit to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Once you're on the crypto screen, about two options down, it says Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH. Simply press on Ethereum right here. Then once you're on this screen, go down to where it says buy. And then once you're on this screen, you can go ahead and just market buy it. So if I can press, $5, it'll invest $5, which is 0.001884 Ethereum. Press on continue and simply just press on confirm order. And it's going to confirm the order of your Ethereum purchase here in the Wealthsimple application. So I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.